So, how do you eat yogurt? So here I've got a black cherry yogurt. So basically you open the lid. I'm just doing it one hand because I'm pretty skilled at this. Yeah. Actually, now I'm gonna keep using one hand. So here's the yogurt. So that's how it should look like after you've opened the lid. There shouldn't be anything splashing everywhere. Should just be clean, open like this. There might be some on here, but you can't do much about it. So then now you gotta have a spoon ready, which I have, and so basically you take the spoon and then you eat it. They're very good. I would recommend it. So that's how you eat yogurt.